Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A bright sunny morning. I'm here on MOLYNES Road. Today we're doing a drive from MOLYNES Road to Spanish Town Road. I'll take a few minor roads just to cut out some of the traffic for you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy the drive. It's another driving video. If you're new to the channel, if this is the first video you're watching, or if your subscribe button is red, just click that subscribe button and be a part of the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video as well and comment, because that helps YouTube to push the video to persons that have never seen the channel. So I appreciate that as well, guys. Like and comment. Remember to also share the video. The video may not be of a value to you, but it may be of a value to someone else. You know, probably somebody in abroad. So always share the video, guys. And as usual, I appreciate the support. And thanks for clicking on this video. So it's an early morning drive. So we're going through MOLYNES Gardens right now. Alright, so we came on Sundown Crescent, MOLYNES Garden. And then we'll head on out to, wait for it. Alright, so this is Newberry Avenue to the left. So we'll head on out to Bay Farm Road. From Bay Farm Road, we head on to Spanish Town Road. So again, guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these coming into. We know the road, sidewalk, and drainage is always the similar cry that we're protesting against. Alright, guys, enjoy the drive. There's some progress on the repair of the road. You know, in some areas they're patching every single day. Some areas that I believe should be, you know, scraped off and completely relaid. I'm seeing patching still happening there with like 1 million potholes. But at the end of the day, there is some progress happening in terms of patching of the potholes. They haven't reached everywhere as yet, but I can say there is progress. But some of these potholes are more like pools. They're more like swimming pools. Alright, guys, so we have made it now onto Bay Farm Road. Heading in the direction of, you know, Olympic Way, Olympic Gardens. Alright, so we'll be passing the brand new Olympic Gardens police station. It's almost finished. It's right there in the right of the screen. So almost finished. It's the Olympic Gardens police station. So we're heading closer to Spanish Town Road. I think we're in the Penwood area. That's where we are now. So we're just taking some, as we'd say, back roads to bring us from MOLYNES Road to Spanish Town Road. So almost there. Alright, and watch till the end, guys. Watch till the end and leave your comments. Alright, and on the left here is the Shelley and Fraser Price Resource Center. That's our little gold medalist, our world champion, Shelley and Fraser Price. We'll just pass the Penwood Church of Christ. Alright guys, so here we have it, the intersection of Spanish Town Road, Seaview Gardens, the old works. So we'll be taking the right onto Spanish Town Road and then head in the direction of 6 miles. And then across the road is the Seprad group of companies as well. Very well established company in Jamaica. They are doing very well as well. Alright, Alright guys, so we'll attempt to head on to Spanish Town Road. What I don't like with this stoplight, there's no filter, no right filter, so you just have to give way on the green. I think they should fix that and put in a right filter. Alright guys, so we're now on the Spanish Town Road, heading in the vicinity of 6 miles. So it was just a quick morning drive with you guys from MOLYNES Road to Spanish Town Road, which we're on now. So leave your comments. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for supporting. Share the video so that somebody else can see. And I'll definitely see you on another driving video.